So is it as simple as they're not built for the volatility here? Is it that simple?
I think it's a little bit that, but it's also like recalibrating your risk reward so that you're playing more for upside than sort of protecting your downside. Like a lot of people from TradFi are always concerned about managing their risk to the downside, and not saying that's like a bad thing to do. That's obviously the right mentality for surviving long term, but you then miss out like the whole reason you're
the asymmetric opportunities.
Yeah, the whole reason you're in this asset class is to catch like the upside, right?
Yeah.
And it's almost like the difference between like being a venture investor and being like a distressed debt investor, right? Like in one scenario, you are trying to protect your downside, and the other scenario, you're really trying to get like a 10 bagger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there any like signal in your mind when you talk to someone, a trader from TradFi, that you're like, he or she is ready? Like they're supposed to be here, or they're not ready? Is there any like signal to that? Like I'm thinking in my mind something that's off paper in the sense of like cultural vibe. Like when you talk to them, you can just tell, not ready already.
Actually, kind of like it is more of a like an aura, like a whole, holistic thing where it's like if they're very guarded and like they don't want to share information, or they're just like, it seems like they're trying to extract information,
right?
And it's like very competitive and zero sum, then that's like a clear sign that they're kind of coming from TradFi. And like I think crypto is going to go in that direction. Obviously, like long term, it'll be much more competitive, but we're still in a world where it's like pretty positive sum. Yeah, it's like better to share information with other people and get something back too.